Hello, welcome to Program Hut. In this video, we will learn how to install Android Studio in Windows. So let's get started. Open google.com and go to developer site. You will find the download option. Click on it. It will automatically detect your operating system, whether it is Windows, Linux or Mac. Let's skip the download part. Our download has been completed. Now run the setup. Click on next. You can browse the location to install Android Studio. Click on install. This will take a few minutes. Setup has been installed successfully. Click on next. You can also choose a theme for Android Studio. Now click on finish. It will take some time to installing some packages. Now let's create a new project. Select an empty activity. Write an app name. Save a project location. Our project has been successfully created. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.